Hello guys, so in this video I just want to go and showcase here how you can go and try to create a certificate for the events that you have organized, or if you have a lot of participants, it will be great if you can go and try to have your certificate generate the names automatically on your Microsoft Word file here. So we will be using two softwares here. One will be the Microsoft Word here. So we now have a template if you have already created your template in your Microsoft Word file. And now what we want to do is to go and insert the names of our participants using an Excel file. So let's say for example here, if I go and try to delete all of this, I would want to have a header here that will be referencing, that we will be used to reference. So for the meantime, this is going to be just for an example. I've already saved this actually. So right now participants, then I'm going to have student name 1 to, let's just have 20 students who attended a training or seminar or webinar. So that's the first step. Now we'll go back to our Microsoft Word here. Now what we want to do here is to go and select this line of text, the recipient name, or the placed from where you have used as a heading, or the main name of your participants will be located. So I'm going to double click that. So you would see here I'm double clicking on that specific space here. Then I'll go to mailings, start mail merge, and create a normal Word document. Now after doing that, we would want to go and select recipients, use an existing list. So in this case, you just need to go to where you have stored the Excel file that we have here. Okay. So now in my case, I do have the participant names stored here in my Excel MS Word Auto Certificate tutorial video. So I'm just going to select this and open this. So now guys, let's go and try to click on that participant names. And we have here an option, select the table, and there's this first row of data contains column headers. You need to check that to ensure that we will be able to have a column header, the one that we specified here, the participants, and click OK. So that will serve as our reference. Now we would want to go to insert merge fields and go and get this participants. And now you would see here we now have the following information. So if we try to go and preview results, now we do have here student name 1, student name 2, student name 3, student name 4, student name 5, student name 6, student name 7, up to student 20. So that's how you go and create an automatic generated list of students from where you won't need to type the names. As long as you have the list in an Excel file, you just copy paste if you have a Google form or a form from where you had your participants fill out, you can now just go and copy paste their names here for you to be able to easily add their names to your certificates. So now guys, if you want to go and have this saved as a, let's say for example you want to have this saved, let's just say Roronoa Zorro. Let's save that. Then let's go back to our Microsoft Word and preview results. Now we have that Roronoa Zorro placed on our certificate of achievement as an example here. So you would see that's the quick way on how you can go and generate names on your certificates using Microsoft Word. And you can save this as an individual file so that you can go and send it to the emails or to the emails of the participants. So let's say for example I'll just go and save this as a PDF file, individual file. So you would see here, I'll just place it here, and let's say I'm going to give this name of Roro Noah Zoro. Then let's go and put this here, save PDF, and there we go. We now have Roro Noah Zoro as our certificate of achievement, a certificate that we have automatically generated for that specific student. So that's it, guys. So I hope this is going to be helping out in automatically generating the certificates for your activities.